In this short video tutorial, we will be showing you how to turn on the always on display of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This enables the watch to always display the watch face at all times. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you like and share this video. There are two ways to activate the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. First is from the Settings app, and second is from the Quick Panel setting. If you would like to activate this feature using the watch settings, then swipe up on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Display. Scroll down and toggle on the always on display switch. The quickest way to enable the always on display feature is from the Quick Panel setting. Slide down from the top edge to open the Quick Panel. Tap the always on display icon, which resembles a watch, to activate it. When the always on display is turned on, its icon will be highlighted blue. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit that notification bell.